Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Guys, on today's video I will be sharing with you guys how I create my coconut oil in the house. This is a recipe requested video. So this is my coconut I got right here. So guys, you need a hot stone to heat this coconut on it. So I went outside and I heat it up, and now I'm just taking out the coconut water from it. And you can see your girl just trying to take out the scale from the coconut itself. So that's it, and just do the same process. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for all the love and support. I'm done with taking out, just going and wash it, and I'm back with the coconut. And then you can see me bringing in my blender. So I'm just gonna like slice the coconut out, just little pieces, the pieces that can easily blend on your blender. It depends on the kind of blender you got. So I just try to pieces it up. Yeah, so you can see me now putting in some water to start blending the coconut. So thank you guys so very much for staying tuned, watching right up to this moment. I love you all so very much. So guys, this is my first ever try. So I got just one coconut at home, so I said let me just try it out and see if I can create my own coconut oil for my face, because I always use coconut oil for my face and I use coconut oil too for my hair. So I said let me create my own coconut oil. So you need to blend this very well, like you need to blend it well as much as you can, okay? Because you need the juice from that coconut. It's the juice that's gonna give you the oil. So you really need to blend it well, guys. But I was not really happy with the result, because I thought I will get a lot of oil, but your girl got just small quantity of oil, but that's okay. So I'm just taking in the second round of my coconuts, blending it up, and now I'm done blending. I'm just gonna drain it up, like I need to extract the juice from it. So I'm just there now, try to sift everything up, just watch and please enjoy the video. So as you can see from here, your girl has done with the first round. So I need to put more water. You need to sieve this thing as many times as you can, okay? As long as you keep seeing the water getting white and you see seeing the milk coming out from it, you just need to put more water, okay? So that's just what your girl is doing over there. So as you can see, I think I'm done. From this moment I think I'm done. I just go ahead and sift the whole thing one more time. Just sift all up one more time in this bowl. And now when it's ready, as you can see, that's it, it's ready, it's everything, it's done. I will just take it now to my fridge. You just let it sit in the fridge overnight. Like, this was in the afternoon I did this thing, but I left it slept in the fridge over the next day, and I remove it. As you can see, everything now it's just flowing up on the water, and all the water is down, and the coconut milk itself is now on top of the water. So I just try my best to take it all up, put it in my pot, and now the pot is on the gas, boiling it up now, and just trying to get the coconut oil. In this process, you just have to cook it up well. Yeah, from this moment you can see now, I can start seeing some the oil popping up. As you can see, yeah, some oil is already popping up, and I think I am doing something. Yeah, the process is coming out. So now I'm so happy. Yeah, I got me some oil. I bring my bowl, start taking it off. I think the oil will be coming more and more, but anyway, thank you guys so very much for watching. I love you all so very much for all your love, your support on my channel. So now I fried it up, I let it cook more, and you can see that is the highest coconut oil your girl could get from this coconut. Like, guys, I was like, oh. So upon all these 3 hours 4 hours journey, for this coconut. But anyway, I'm happy I create my own coconut at home, and it really came out good and nice. And that is the remaining, like, that's just the chaffs that I have to. So I've just got it and throw this up, and now yeah, I got my coconut oil. So I just drain it up. That's it. That's the quantity your girl could got on that one coconut, you guys. So anyway, I'm not so happy with the result because I expected a lot of the oil, but that's all I got. So anyway, that's the coconut I got. So that's the oil that came out from it. So thank you guys so very much for watching. I love you all so very much. Without you all, there's no me. So thumbs up the video if you have not yet done so, and please comment down below what you want to see more on this channel. I love you all so very much. Without you, there's no me. So guys, I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye, and I love you all so very much. Peace out, and always remember to drink you some water and just mind your own business.